We'll guide you through how to change category in WhatsApp Business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your phone. And for this example, I am using an Android device to demonstrate the steps clearly. Make sure you already have a WhatsApp Business account before continuing with this tutorial so you can access the necessary settings. If you do not have it yet, you can download the application from Play Store on your phone. Open Play Store, then tap the search bar at the top of the screen to begin searching for the app. Type WhatsApp Business in the search field to find the correct application and the results. After the result appears, tap the Install button to download and install the app on your device. Since I have already installed it on my phone, I will go back to the home screen to continue the process. Then open WhatsApp Business by tapping the application icon on your screen. Once the app is open, you will see 4 main features displayed at the bottom, namely chats, calls, updates, and tools. To change the category of your business profile, tap the Tools menu to access additional settings. Scroll down to the Manage Your Account section, then tap Profile to edit your profile information. After that, make sure you are in the Business Information section where your business details are listed. You can tap the category icon, and currently my category is set to Other Business as an example. Next, tap X to remove the current category so you can select a new one. To search for a category that is not available in the suggested list, use the search feature provided in this section. Tap the search icon and type manually, for example electronics, to find a more specific category. Tap X again if you want to clear the type category, and as an example I will use one of the suggested categories, such as shopping and retail. If everything is correct and you are satisfied with your selection, tap Save to store the changes. Check the result on your profile, and you will see that the category in WhatsApp Business has been successfully changed. Your updated category will now be visible to customers who view your business profile. You can repeat these steps anytime if you want to adjust your category again in the future.